The vintage style is famous because it achieves beautiful interior decorations, for the way it demands texture and color and the way it manages to combine styles and materials in a harmonious and stylish composition. Rustic vintage decor refers to a style of interior decoration that combines elements of rustic and vintage design. When combined, rustic vintage decor creates a unique and eclectic look, blending the warmth and charm of rustic design with the elegance and timeless appeal of vintage aesthetics. It often incorporates repurposed or upcycled items, such as vintage suitcases turned into tables or salvaged doors transformed into headboards, to add a touch of individuality and creativity to the space. Welcome to the house of Therese Bergqvist. In the living room, a collection of watches or a solid wood table are vintage elements that give character to a white room, a base to start decorating and personalizing a space, starting with a good choice of each piece of furniture. The furniture does not have to belong to the same category. Which piece of furniture would you like? A chic sofa with a simple and stylish design. In the kitchen. It's a very inspiring house, with a beautiful interior design that is different in each room, and yet there's a continuity throughout the house. But white cabinets are the standard for many kitchens, but vintage accessories and wood details give it a timeless design. In the dining room. The wooden furniture stands out against the white background of the space to take on the character of the rustic style. Is daring to have different chairs in a dining room your style? In the bathroom. Every little piece has its own place in there. There are all sorts of details that make this place unique, starting with the bathtub. In the bedroom. Notice how cozy this place looks. It seems rustic and yet it's also very elegant, a combination very hard to obtain. If you like flower wallpaper, choosing a vintage style is still possible. In the garden, vintage white furniture is in high demand to decorate in this style. Discover how with just a few vintage or rustic furniture you can create a pleasant corner in your garden. Muchas gracias por ver el video y apoyar el canal.